Okay, this is a video on the 426 Cat backhoe. Comes with 4 buckets, the one that's on it, and these 3 in the front here. They're all listed on the sizes. 2-wheel drive. Has a little bit of a ram. Looks like a turn ram is leaking just a little bit, so you can see that. And looks like this foot here ram is leaking just a little bit right here. So we got a couple leaks, but other than that, it runs pretty good. How many hours are on it?
8907.
How many?
8907.
8907 hours.
Does have an extend the hoe on it.
Has the extend the hoe. He's gonna fire it up right now and show us how she goes. It's an older machine, but you know, what do you expect? Be a great one for somebody who wants to do some work out on their property or ranch or what have you. Kind of nice coming with all the buckets. That makes it really nice. It has a wobble sticks, which is pretty neat. Extend the hoe works. Nice. He was just telling me before the video here that for some reason the controls to raise, he's showing me right now. Oh, okay. There's probably a plunger or something. Oh, I see. Okay. So there is a little issue with the valve right there. You pull that and you... Okay, gotcha. That seems like a trick. Oh, okay. So apparently the raise on it doesn't work unless you pull the curl at the same time. So that's kind of interesting. So anyway, other than that, if you can learn to operate it like that, you're in. If you want to fix it, well, you got to fix it. So that's the story on the backhoe. Tires are good. It does run good, doesn't smoke or anything. Has a nice general purpose bucket on it. Okay, he says that's it. So that's the video on the Cat 426